Connect your channels and upload the video on Buffer. You can upload and schedule your videos on Buffer. If you want to learn how to use Buffer for free, watch the Buffer for free lifetime hack video. I've mentioned the link in the description, and you can also watch it by clicking on the I button. Let's get started. Open your account on Buffer, then go to the Channels section and connect your channels. Authorize them, and after authorization, your channels will be linked with Buffer. Now, you can link all the channels you want. After that, go to Publishing, where you can upload your video and schedule it for different times. Click on Create a Post, select Video, and give it a title. Then, choose whether you want to post the video as a reel or a regular post. You can also edit it for each channel. When you're done, just hit the Share Now button. There you go, your video is uploaded. Thank you, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.